and happy Vlogmas. It is just lunchtime. I just finished eating and I'm making another coffee, but I wanted to check in. It is like a snow, it's not picking on camera, but it's like very snowy out and windy. Anyways, it is a work day. I, again, just finished eating. I'm gonna have a coffee, and then I would really like to get this couch. Can't even, I've thrown everything on it. This couch out of the dining room, and then we can clean everything else up. Actually, we need to, because the cleaning lady's coming tomorrow, which classic, you gotta clean for the cleaning lady. I would really like to get this couch out and then go back to my parents and keep digging. But the problem is that Andrew is working until like 7, and it'll be very dark and very cold. We could go tomorrow, but I'm just afraid the ground is gonna keep freezing. And now it definitely is, because now it's snowing, and the hole my dad and I dug is probably filled with snow. And I also need to read more about this metal detector. Anyways, lots to do, to think about. Like, we really, like, there's just so many just like boxes sitting around, and I'd really like to get my table back. Yeah, anyways, I gotta go back to work, but I wanted to check in. So to start this video, I will see you in a little bit. And finally finished the work day. My head is pounding. I had my hair in like a ponytail all day. Now I'm gonna make dinner. When I say make, we haven't really been following carnivore, as you probably saw. I would like to get back on it ASAP because I just feel better, but I also felt like a salad. So I got this bacon Caesar ranch salad and a rotisserie chicken. Also, it is so cold outside, and I really want to bring the couch to my parents' house. I just don't know if we're gonna do it. Like I've been talking about all week, I started a new job. Everyone is so lovely and kind. But learning a new job is just absolutely overwhelming. Hey buddy, go outside. The sad thing about him being blind is sometimes he gets lost out there, and I'm like afraid he's gonna get lost and be so cold. Not that I will always watch him when he's outside because of his blindness, but oh, my head. I need to have a break. My brain hurts, my head hurts, I'm hungry, and the cleaning lady is coming tomorrow. So I love when she leaves. I hate when she comes. No, she's great, but I just like, I have to clean my house in order. And we just have stuff everywhere. Anyways, I'm grumpy. Yummy. We moved the couch out and it was so hard. Oh, now we have, honestly, I feel like junk is everywhere. We have to get the junk out of our car, which is all sitting there. We gotta get the junk out of here. You did. And then we gotta clean up in here. This is crazy, but we flipped the table. How do we feel about it? Makes the room feel so much bigger. Anyways, we have a lot of tidying up to do tonight. I'm gonna need a coffee tonight, actually. Whew. We are heading to my parents' house to bring the couch and maybe do a little digging. Now that I have the muscle. We need to see. It's so cold though. It's -9 Celsius right now, and the wind chill is obviously makes it feel colder, but Just gotta try. You found it? We think we found the can.
You see it? Here.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Is that it?
It looks like it.
It's something.
What the heck is it? Definitely looks metal. Well, shoot, I don't know what I do with my gloves. Make sure that's it. Like, it looks.
It looks like it. I mean,
There's a piece.
Do you have another shovel? Like, that thing kind of sucks.
Oh, that's definitely it.
Yeah.
That's definitely it. Oh, sorry. So sorry. Ow! We're blinding each other. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we did it. Okay, I'm gonna go get my gloves and I'll help you dig. I'll help you dig. As kids, I'm impressed with how deep we actually.
You think you guys dug it that deep, or do you think it's just over time?
I think it was deeper than I assumed, but I think over time. Ah!
Oh.
No! Oh no. We're only. Did he break it clean off? Just checking in. I can't see with the light. It has been an hour, I think, since we made the discovery. But it is really, this is why excavations take years, I guess. It's an ugly sight. And it's very, here we go. There we go. It's very deep. Well, not very deep. It's like a foot.
Ow.
Oh, what happened?
There's just a frozen patch and I nailed my hand.
Dangerous. Anyways. Part of me, we're so close and so far. I want to give up. We are home. I don't know where I left off, but we had no more strength to keep digging. I don't know what we were thinking as 11-year-olds, but that thing is like in the ground. So we're trying to be strategic to figure out how to get it out with the least amount of effort. So I think our plan is to try to go back tomorrow, if all possible. But my arms, well, one, we're freezing. Oh, I should show you my pants. Yeah. Andrew is also covered. We were literally, it is so cold. It's like minus 15 or 16 Celsius. Oh, my hair's crazy. And we're like lying in the dirt digging. Hold on, where's your pants? Let me show them. Turn the light on. Oh, or come here. And you got it on your side. Was it this side? Yeah, all covered. So I have to change my clothes, and then we need to get some of this crap out of the way. Where are you putting that? Okay, just, yeah, let's put it on the table. Gotta figure this out.
Lines are busting out the door, Christmas songs in every store. Can't stand to hear one more, please won't you make it stop. Snow is piled 5 feet high, dog ate the pecan pie. Hurry up, store-bought is fine, Christmas time again. They say it's so pretty, that time in New York City. I say cold and gritty, packed in like sardines. got a flat on the interstate. Mama warned me, don't be late. Pretty please save me a plate. Christmas time again. Uncle Eddie's new friend Jane.
Sister's back with what's his name.
All together once again.
And once a year is plenty.
Laughter bouncing off the wall.
Hear the cackle down the hall.
Taking a little snack break. So when I don't eat carnivore, a yummy sweet treat for my batteries is I like to mix a yogurt and a Jell-O together, and it's so good. Strawberry, of course. And then with the Jell-O, I like to stab it so it's all chunky. So it looks like that. And then take the yogurt. And this yogurt is only 2 grams of sugar, and the Jell-O is sugar-free. It kind of looks disgusting, but it is so good. It's like Jell-O salad, I guess. It's delicious. Yummy. I'm gonna eat this and then keep going.
Here come the holidays, so
Save up a whole month's pay and spend it on a one-night stay.
Okay, for the most part, everything is picked up. It was kind of crazy. We've been living in a bit of chaos for a while. There's still more boxes that have to go out, and my old bench, that used to be over here, my aunt is gonna take, and I have a box here still because I gotta ship my computer back, so there's still stuff to do in the morning, but I think we're good. I will probably give you a little bit of a tour maybe tomorrow because yeah, we've shifted some stuff around. Who knows? Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here because it is 11 o'clock and I am tired and still cold. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you again tomorrow for another Vlogmas. Good night.
Cookies knit the sweater. Stand in line, wait for